In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear videos you have watched on Facebook. For some reason, you want to delete all videos you have previously watched on Facebook, perhaps for safety and security measures. In this video, I'm going to provide you with two different methods. So make sure to stay to the end of this video to see the entire steps. On your Facebook app home feed, proceed to locate the top right corner where you see your profile icon, then click there. Then you have to scroll down till you locate settings and privacy. Then proceed to click on settings. On this interface, you have to proceed to scroll down again till you locate your activity. Then under your activity, proceed to click on activity log. Among the list of menus on the top here, we have to swipe left till we locate videos watched. Then you have to proceed to click on it. As you can see now, we have all our previously watched videos on Facebook on this interface. So in the event we want to clear it, all we have to do is to either click on this three dots beside the video, then we can proceed to click on delete. So this will delete the particular video that we want to clear. With the second method, on your Facebook home feed, proceed to click on this your profile icon, which is on the left. So when you scroll down beside see dashboard, you see this three dots. Proceed to click there. So under profile setting, you can locate activity log and click there. On this menu, proceed to swipe left until you locate videos watched and click there. So this has brought us to all our previously watched videos on Facebook. So in order for us to delete it, we can proceed to click on this three dots beside the video. Then we can navigate to hit on delete. So this will delete the previously watched video on Facebook. Alternatively, if you want to clear all the videos watch history, you can proceed to click on this icon. This will automatically clear all those videos you have previously watched. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider hitting the like button and share it to your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe to see many content like this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.